Hello everyone, I am Piyush Jain. I am father of Prakhar Jain. Prakhar Jain has scored very good in JEE Advance as well as JEE Mains. All the credit goes to Fitji Kochi. Basically, he had started his all this program 4 years back. He had joined a 4 year program with Fitji. Then in 11th, he changed this program to integrated program, which was integrated with the school. And this 2 years, he has learned a lot, physics, chemistry, maths, like anything. He has been coming to Fitji Kochi, and all the teachers, they have been teaching day and night physics, chemistry and maths to him. And basically he in 10th class he was not able to give his boards because of the COVID, and boards were cancelled. So we were not aware how much level he is having. So once the 10th board exams cancellation was there, then we shifted to Kochi, and in Kochi he started his 2 years program in Fitji Kochi. So Fitji, basically Kochi helped him in his 11th and 12th, which are crucial years for him to appear for JEE Advance and JEE Mains. And in 11th and 12th, he was going on daily basis to his attending his classes. Sometimes it was offline, sometimes it was online. Most of the time, whenever he had any doubts in his mind, his teachers who are there at Fitji Kochi were able to resolve immediately. So if you see in Fitji Kochi, we have teachers who are a level class apart. So they are able to tell each and everything. They are able to clear all his doubts. Whenever he is having anything, they are able to clear that, and they are able to tell what is to be done. So if you see, Prakhar Jain has really increased his knowledge through the learning which he has got here in the coaching program. I think earlier we were thinking that his rank which we were expecting will be, maybe he may get 1000 or maybe up to 5000, but due to the teaching which he has got in Fitji Kochi, he has been able to achieve such a good and high rank. In fact, he got 59 All India rank in JEE Mains. So this is basically entirely due to the hard work which has been given by the teachers who are there at Fitji Kochi. So we are very thankful to the Fitji Kochi teachers as well as the staff who have been, untiringly helping the students, not only Prakhar Jain, even all the students who are there in the classes. They have been untiringly helping them and teaching them whenever it is required. Whenever they are having doubts, they are able to clear all their doubts. So the time which is they are saving a lot of time in that, and it is really getting helped